Haven't done a video log in a while, so thought it'd be a good time to start one. Let's see, I think it's about somewhere around June last time we did one. So it's now September, and June and July I hosted here, upside down, William Buman's course, How to Have an Out-of-Body Experience, and that lasted 6 weeks. We had about 5 people finish it with varying experiences as they were finished. So that course is done, something that was on my list to do here. And the next one I think I want to do is host Lucidology course. That would be my next one.